Welcome to the ZF Scan instructional video series. In this series, we'll guide you through the steps, from purchasing and downloading to setting up and using ZF Scan, our next generation diagnostics tool designed to simplify and accelerate vehicle diagnostics of ZF Group components and systems. Begin by purchasing the subscription on the Customer Center. Trailer, truck, bus, off-highway, or full subscriptions are available. Log in with your account or create a new one. When purchasing a subscription, you can switch on or off the renewal function. Under the widget ZF Pro Diagnostics, you can view and manage all your purchased subscriptions. You can see their type and validity. In the User Management widget, you can invite new users to your organization and grant them the admin role for the Customer Center. Admins have the authority to purchase subscriptions. Once your purchase is complete, check your email for an invitation to ZF Pro Diagnostics admin portal to complete your account. If you are the first purchaser of the software for your organization, you are automatically the organization owner with full administrator rights. In the admin portal, you have full access to all the features. Users created in your account will be redirected to the download area after their first login. Admins can manage users and assign roles. Administrator invites users and manages all settings. Workshop Manager invites users and views past repair sessions. Technician uses all diagnostic functionalities. To fully use all diagnostic functionalities, make sure you assign the user the technician role. One user can have multiple roles assigned. Use the same email addresses as in ZF Pro Academy to sync ZF Pro Diagnostic Suite with personal pins. Download the ZF Pro Diagnostic Suite and follow the installation steps to get started with diagnosing. Make sure you have admin rights for your computer. Restart your PC after installation. Open ZF Pro Diagnostic Suite and log in. Select an available license for your organization. It will be bound to your device. Licenses are device linked, but can be released anytime. Multiple technicians can share a license on the same device. Now, welcome to the intuitive ZF Pro Diagnostic Suite. Ready for the next step? Let's connect ZF DCI to your vehicle.